Hello everyone and welcome back to the last video of the YouTube creator series, as you have read in the title of this video. So this is gonna be a long video and please do watch till the end, and let's get started right into it. The first thing, choose a good topic for your YouTube channel. So like you can see for my YouTube channel, it's about technology, and you can read from my channel's logo, All of Computer Tech, where I make videos on technology and different aspects of it. So right now on your screen there would be a few types of topics popping up, and you can read through them if you want. You can go with any topic which interests you, and that is the first point to starting a YouTube channel. The second one is stick to what you do on your channel. So in my channel, as I've done only technological videos on different aspects of tech, facts and features, a few information about YouTube Creator Studio, etc. And there are many more videos coming soon too. So stick to it. The third thing is to follow a routine. So you can upload videos every 2 days, or once in a week, or once in a month, or twice a week, something like that, but follow it. Like right now for my channel, I upload almost every day or every 2 days, depending on time, how much it takes to record and edit the video. Fifth thing is to record your video, be it be on technology such as screen recording your computer, or making a real life video where you prank someone or do something, or for example Mr. Beast itself. Sixth one, choose a good editing software and edit your videos in it. So right now you can see a few editing software on your screen. A few are Adobe Premiere Pro, Filmora 9, Shortcut, Windows Movie Maker, etc. And you can use all of them, and there are few of them in the description too. The seventh one is to export your videos and store them in a safe and secure location on your computer, so that now that you're ready to upload your videos to YouTube, and this is where my part comes in to explaining you how to. The eighth thing is what this YouTube creator series was for. So let me show you how. Now, first you need to go to your YouTube Creator Studio of your channel and click on Create. You get a YouTube Creator Studio as soon as you start a channel on YouTube. Click on Create over here and click Upload Videos if you want to upload your videos. Upload your videos. So select the files from your computer which you need to upload. So I'm going to select one file which has been partially edited by me. So right now I've found the file which to upload, and now click on open and it will start uploading on YouTube, as you can see. Just click next and next if you have already named your video, and now I'll show you how to do all the other stuff too. Don't forget about the audiences. So now after your video has been uploaded to YouTube, and now it's a private video which would be always the default view of your video. So now it has been processed and has been uploaded. Give a good title to your video. So name it like YouTube Creator Series. So I've given it a great title which would help your video to be found by YouTube. And give a good description. Put everything which you want. Tell what your video is about. Give your social media links. Give a link to your website or your merch store, and whatever else you want, put it in your description of your video. Upload a great thumbnail for your video so that everyone clicks on it and watches your video. So now I'm uploading a thumbnail for this video. So now as you can see, I've uploaded thumbnail for this video. Thing is visibility. So either do any 3 of these, or go to schedule and do a custom visibility option. So you can do it at any time of the year, maybe months after you have uploaded the video, or maybe after a year or something like that. Now playlist. You need to add a playlist so that YouTube automatically redirects your viewers to the other videos of the same category. So make a new playlist or add it to one of the playlists over here and click done. Next one, end screen. Don't forget to add an end screen which promotes your other videos and also your channel. So I have this import from latest video option, so I'm just gonna click it and it automatically detects everything until that subscribe. And over here you can see that at the outer part of my video I have put all the end screens over here. Don't forget to save your work. The next one is to add cards for your video. So you can add cards such as your own videos. So you can add this video over here, then in between you can add another video or another channel or a playlist. I can add the playlist in between, and over here again I can add one more channel or a playlist. So I can promote my own channel if I want to. Just search Techjet and find it, and that's it. Now don't forget to add tags for your video, so add all the tags related to your video. So over here I can put example, YT, creator series, YouTube, beginners, learners, etc., whichever is related to your video. And then go in more options, don't forget to add subtitles. So this already defaulted for my channel, so it automatically detects it's an English video, and you will have automatic subtitles given to you by YouTube. And then last but not the least, click save. Okay, so now the changes have been saved and this video is ready to go. And so everyone, this is the step-by-step process of how to start a YouTube channel. Start with a video, upload a video to YouTube, engage it with the most people, and publish it on your channel, and do the best your video can, and also for your channel and for yourself too. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you really stayed till the end, and if you have made till here, please put a pat on your back. Thank you for watching this video. This was the end of the YouTube creator series. I really hoped you enjoyed. You can watch all the creator series videos right now, links in the description, and see you in the next video with a new formats of videos. So till that, bye, and see you in the next video.